Hello everybody, and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video.
In the following video, we'll be taking a look at employee list search and keyboard shortcuts. After opening the software, we head to the toolbar and right-click on the employee list. In this menu, we can toggle the various options to include or exclude from our searches. When there is a tick displayed, the option will be included when searched, and when there is no tick displayed, the option will be excluded. The search bar is found just right of the employee list, and here we can type in the information that we want to search with. To access the search bar, we can either click on it or press F3. After entering the search term, we can click on the employee list to view the results of the displayed employees. To clear the search, we can click in the search bar, use the backspace, or double click to remove the search term, and then the employee list will show all of the employees once again. To select an employee, we can find them in the employee list by clicking on the drop-down and scrolling with the mouse. Or we can move sequentially through the list by clicking the green arrows on either side of the employee list. Or F8 for a previous employee, F9 for the next employee, and F7 will select everyone in the list. That will be all for this video. For related content, check the description below. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.